Hello folks, now here we have some more recordable media in the form of a Blu-ray disc. Now there's CD, which is compact disc, there's DVD, and now there's Blu-ray discs. And this one's made by a company called Verbatim, and they've been around for a really long time, and they're pretty legit. And this particular item right here is a 25 gigabyte Blu-ray disc. You can also get double layered Blu-ray disc, which is like in the 50 gigabyte range. But for my purposes, 25 gigabyte is plenty of room. That's a quarter of a terabyte, which is, right? 4 times 25 is 100? No, that's not a quarter of a terabyte. It's actually less than that, because 1,000 gigabytes is a terabyte, so it's actually 1/8, right? Yeah. So anyway, so this is a Blu-ray disc, and the difference on this one is that it's a Blu-ray-RE, which means it's rewritable. If it were just a BDR, which is a Blu-ray disc-R, it would mean it's just a write once disc. But this is a BD-RE, which is a Blu-ray disc rewritable, which means you can write on it more than one time. You can use it more than one time. Like you can write some data on it and you could erase it and use it again. So what I use these for is to make Blu-ray videos. And Blu-ray videos need definitely a lot more storage space than regular videos. That's why DVDs don't work as well, because you're limited to 4.7 gigabyte on a regular standard DVD disc. And these discs have 25 gigabyte, so it's like 5 times the space, because Blu-ray media, what I use it for is it'll play back HD video, which is 1920 by 1080, and the DVD only plays back 720 by 480, which is smaller, and so that's why they don't require as much room. But Blu-rays, you can write 25 gigabytes worth of video, because a video in HD takes up considerably more space than a 720 or standard definition video. You're looking at 720 by 480 versus 1920 by 1080, so it's a lot bigger, so you need more space. And again, I use these for writing video, and again, you can also use them for data, same thing as all the other discs. And in this one you can store 25 gigabytes worth of data, so you can store a lot of data on these things. That's why they're good for use for data also, because you have a lot more room to put a lot more files on there, especially those big HD video files. They will definitely fit on there, and you can put really high resolution photos, and you can fit more of them because you have 25 gigabytes worth of space that you can use. So, and then again, if you want to use them as a Blu-ray video disc, you have to write them to Blu-ray specs. There's special specifications or standards that need to be written on the disc in order for it to play back on a Blu-ray disc player, and which is the same thing as the DVD player. You need specific standards to be written on the disc in a certain way for it to play back. And so that's why on Blu-ray discs you have to author them as well. You can't just drag and drop video files in there and expect them to play back on a Blu-ray player. You have to author the discs before they will play back on a Blu-ray player. And by that I mean, by authoring them, you have to write in Blu-ray disc video standards in order for them to play back on your Blu-ray media player. Now these things, they look, you know, the same thing as a regular disc. One side is the label side, where you can write on it. It doesn't have the silver label, it has a label that you can write on. And one side's got the label on it, and the other side, of course, is the side that you write the information on. And like I said, this is a rewritable disc. This is a 1-pack. You can buy them in 25 packs, 100 packs, but for a rewritable, I didn't see any need of buying more than one, because I'm just going to write on it, then I'm going to erase it, and then use it again. And what I use these for is I will edit. I also edit and produce videos, and so what I'll do is I'll use this in my Edit Bay studio, and I will, after I'm done editing my files, I will burn it onto this Blu-ray media and then play them back on Blu-ray player to test them and to see what the quality is like. And if I need to make any fixes, I can just erase this and reburn another video file after I've done the fixes, and that way I can compare. And that way I don't have to keep throwing away discs that I can only write on once. Since you can write on this one many times, after I redo my new edits or my new versions, I can just erase the prior version that was on here and write the new version on here and play it again on my Blu-ray player and review the changes and make sure that it's okay. So that's what these are good for. You can rewrite on them, you can erase them and reuse them. And where like the BD-R without the E on them, you can't rewrite them. You can only burn on them once and that's it. And after you burn them, you can't use them again. So that's why I use these, so I can rewrite them, test my content, and write on them again if I need to. So anyway, that's the way these Blu-ray discs works. And again, they're made by Verbatim, and a pretty reputable company. They've been around for a while, and you can find these in most electronic stores. Okay, thank you very much.